Well, welcome everyone. This is Mike Jacko with Manria and Real Estate Promo with another Flip It Friday video for you guys. And today I want to talk about water problems. We're up here in Minnesota and we've had a lot of snow this winter. And just this past week, everything's starting to melt and basements are flooding all over Minnesota. So a lot of people are freaked out. They don't understand water. Water is usually not that big of a deal. As long as you know where it's coming from, we can usually do something to rectify it really cheap and really inexpensively. So as you can see here, we're just looking at a property and the floor here is full of water. And if you come over to if we look over here in the corner, this is where the water is coming from. And it's, I don't know if you can see it on the video here, but this wall here, up here is dry. Here, when you touch it, is wet. So you can see, kind of see the moisture, but it's coming through the wall and it's seeping through and it's gathering up down here and now it's running over towards the drain. So what I want to do is we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you where the water problem is outside and how we can fix it relatively cheaply and inexpensively. So let's go on outside. Okay, so we're outside and there's a couple different things here. Sometimes you can just bring in dirt and pile the dirt up to get the water to run away from the property where the water's the problem. But here's where the water's coming in. And in this case, we really can't do anything with dirt because we're already, we're about at as level as we're going to get, and the water just naturally going this way. So bringing in dirt is just going to raise it up on the wall, and we're going to create other problems. So this way we don't really want to do that. And you'll see where the issues come in. You can look up there on the roof, the sun's kind of there. But we got a gutter there, so that gutter's going to have to get fixed. But that's part of the problem. You can see water's dripping down there. And on the other property here, they got a gutter up there and the downspout, and the water is all just kind of running here towards this corner. So in this case, what you could do is you could put in what's called a drain tile system. And what you would do is along the sidewalk here, you would come through with a shovel, and the guys would just dig it down a couple feet, maybe 1.5 to 2 feet. And they'd dig a trench about the width of a shovel blade, maybe a little bit wider, but not much. You don't need much to do this. And you run it trench all the way down. In this case, I would go to the backyard, just on the other side of that fence, where the ground starts to naturally slope down anyway, so that's a good runoff spot. And so what we do is once we got the trench dug, then we would put in some like river rock or some type of a small rock, and then they have a drain tile, and that drain tile is about 4 inches in diameter. You'll see it, and it'll have a sock in it. They come in these big coils. They'll have a sock around it, and it'll have some holes in it. It's designed to allow water to flow into it. So what happens is we're creating a natural opening in the ground. So water always looks for the easiest path, okay, and it's going to feel like there's a pressure release there, so water will naturally over time will work its way into that. So then when you start getting this flooding, it'll work its way into that, away from the house, and it'll stay in that channel, and it'll work its way all the way down to wherever you want the water to flow, and then just let it drain out into the backyard, and that should eliminate the water problem on this property in this area for years and decades to come. So with that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. You got something out of it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you back here next week on another Flip It Friday video.